Hello and welcome to Photoshop. My name is Nyasha and we want to show each other I want to show you, rather, how to, to navigate in Photoshop, actually to toggle the button view for actions. Before we start working, let me open this document so that I can show you that. I can show you this without any, image showing, but I think this is more interesting. This is what I'm looking for. I'm sure that most of you who are looking at this this video tutorial might have gone to YouTube and looked at retouching tutorials and have seen this panel. This is a very beautiful panel with buttons all over, colorful buttons. And most of us, you don't know how to toggle this because this is actually within Photoshop, and you may find this only when you configure it in the program. It doesn't come by default. So what I want to do is to show you how to get there. Right now we are actually there, but I want to show you how to get there. So what you do is to you go to the button. This is the secret. This is the button mode, right? You just click here. Normally it comes like this. It comes straight like this, and when it comes like this, you won't know now how people who are actually giving you the tutorial might have achieved this, that other, the button mode. You see, so whenever you see this, and sometimes for some reason your Photoshop might be like this, they mightn't be the actions, the panel. So you go to window and then you go to actions. You see there's a tick mark. That means that it's the color. The color panel is actually on there because there is a tick mark. So for the actions panel, you just click on the actions and then it's toggled. Now it comes like this as the actions panel. So whenever you see it like this and people are talking about, dodge and burn, and they are dodging and they're burning their images, you can just look at your work and you look at the panels that you have. These are the panels that we have, and there is dodge and burn here somewhere. So when you click one of these actions, you are probably going to find dodge and burn inside the folders like this. Let me try and use this. I think this one has dodge and burn. There isn't dodge and burn here. Let me try to look for it from retouching. This one, magic brush, right? For some reason I'm not actually even finding it on in my actions. So what you do is just to go there and then go to button mode, and then you find this is where you find dodge and burn. Actually find dodging and burning here. You start dodging and burning using that, so that's how you go about it. Thank you very much for watching.